We're going on a road trip. Well, here's everything. Haha, throwback to when I used to live in here. Alright, let's go to the trailer. So, it's time to pack all of this into this cabinet, these drawers, and then this cabinet, and then this drawer down here. I have a very strong feeling that I'm not going to be able to fit everything in there, but we're going to try, and then whatever I can't fit, I'll just, keep here in Tampa. So yeah, I'm going to do that now. Wish me luck. Looks sick, babe. Lighting is key. Oh, it looks so good. Wait,
I like it a lot.
Where's my phone? Ah!
Ready?
Okay, yes.
This looks here.
These like LED strips.
This is the first time we're seeing it after installing it.
That looks so good.
I like.
This was like Dylan's big thing that he wanted in the kitchen. You did good.
I'm one of the RGB ones, but I didn't have an extra $30 to spend.
True. So I don't know if you can see, there's like a ton of room in there still. That means I can free up some drawer space by hanging up more things that are in this bag. Oh, not this bag. Oh my god, I have so much stuff. I fully just forgot about this entire suitcase. We can do this. I have like so much clothes in here, so I'll probably end up hanging a lot of my pants up, and like the bulky stuff I'll hang in the closet. My friend's coming, if you couldn't hear me. Hi! Okay, it's super messy.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
my
but
god,
it's like
Crosby Grace Travel! Crosby Grace Travel! Hi! Oh my god, this is sick though!
So I got pretty much everything to fit in here, surprisingly. So the biggest thing that saved some space was that I actually stuffed some shirts within another shirt and I hung them on the same hanger. This drawer, I pretty much just put all of my workout clothes. In this one, this is where I put my comfy clothes and then my bra and underwear. The last thing I have is this bin, and this is where I put most of I put like 2 sweaters and then some sweatshirts, and I'm gonna put this in the closet underneath my hanging clothes.
Lots of cookies.
Ah! She's bringing me some parting gifts.
Yes.
She's awesome.
Yes. But you keep them in the freezer so you don't eat them all at one time.
Yeah, I have that problem.
3 loaves of banana bread.
Oh my god!
This is a fun game. I don't know how to play. You
Yeah.
have to read the directions. But Shannon says it's super fun.
Very fun.
So you guys can play games and not be on your phone all the time.
No, and that's
And
good.
in the same vein, you can play this outside. I got this at REI.
What is this?
I know. It's like, it's got badminton things and a ball.
Oh my
It's like
god.
a big bouncy game, and you can
You're
play it
so
outside
cute.
at the campsite. See?
We just got an REI in Tampa and it's very exciting.
It is exciting. So cute. I love you so much.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you.
You're gonna have fun, but you're leaving me.
No.
Very sad. You're sad.
Well, the next time we see her, we'll be in Yosemite. We're heading to Crystal River in like 30 minutes for a couple nights. My friend has a place there, and it's kind of like our little fun send-off party. And then we're heading up to Birmingham, Alabama for like 2 nights, probably 1-2 nights, to shoot a property, and then we're heading through New Orleans and Texas. Super excited! So it's day 2 at Crystal River, and we ended up staying an extra day because a huge rainstorm blew in this morning. Like, I saw a lightning strike right outside of the trailer. It was unreal. We're like, we're not driving in this. Pretty much all of my friend group from Tampa was here and just, you know, spending some time together, and most of them had to leave today because it's Sunday. And, you know, it was sad, but at the same time, like, I'm so excited for this, and they're so excited for me. I don't know how long exactly I'm gonna be gone, but, you know, it's one of those things you kind of like leave and then you come back and you pick things up where you left off. But I am going to make sure I try and FaceTime everyone a lot because I can be bad at that. Heading out tomorrow morning, super excited. This is the difference between me and Dylan. This is my side of the groceries, and this is his. Meat Central.
It's an hour thing. It's our trailer.
I don't eat meat.
Very efficient. Why is this in there?
It's my breakfast items.
The whole thing of peanut butter is a breakfast item.
I eat peanut butter a lot. All right, guys. This is a very exciting part. Oh, wait, where'd you put the avocados?
In the fridge.
Here is where I put the bananas. That's so cute. And then we got avocados. Wee. I love it. Aww.
It was so cute.
This looks
That's
so
an aesthetic.
This is an aesthetic. Wow. So we're at our first campsite, and our black tank is at 3/4 the way full, and the black tank valve will not budge. This is the black tank pole, and it simply will not budge. How's it going?
It's going. It's not fully glamping. So we got to remove this whole protective bottom because there's a cable that goes into the black tank that is probably rusted because we live in Florida. There's a lot of salt water in Florida.
And humidity.
And humidity, so it doesn't help at all.
So it's definitely gonna be a little while till we have this fixed. At least we're in a beautiful place on this gorgeous farm. What?
See it.
See it?
Yeah. All the way over there, though.
Oh God.
So the cable is sealed
Yeah.
all the way in. And all it is just a big gate that slides across. But, so it's inside there. My guess is it's frozen at that end over there. And here you see, everything is sealed.
Oh, I see some of the rest. Yeah, let me put some,
Yeah, spray some more lubricant up in there on it. Up in there, we good. There you go. You got this thing locked in. Yeah.
Oh yes!
Yeah, we're doing this right now.
Yeah.
Oh,
That thing.
get that
I'll lube it really well, and just when it's done draining, we'll work it in and out several times and get it really lubed up on the inside.
Oh my gosh. Never thought I'd be so happy about a dump.